Hey everyone! Let me start with something we hear all the time from manufacturers. We submitted our 510(k) and now it's stuck. FDA asked for more data, again. We thought this was a simple pathway. And the most common one. Why did our 510(k) get rejected? You see, the 510(k) pathway under U.S. Food and Drug Administration is often called the fast track to the U.S. market. But in reality, it's fast only if done correctly. Otherwise, what happens? Multiple deficiency letters, endless back and forth timeline, doubling unexpected costs. And here's the truth. Most 510(k) failures are not because of the device. They are because of poor strategy and documentation. In this video, we're going deep. Step-by-step 510(k) submission process timeline. Realistic, not ideal. Cost breakdown. Very important. Documents required, in detail. Mistakes, with real examples. Proven strategies to get cleared faster. Let's break it down. Part 1. The real problem. Why 510(k) submissions fail? Let's be honest. 510(k) looks simple on paper. Show substantial equivalence, compare with predicate, submit documents. But in reality, common pain points. We couldn't find the right predicate. FDA says our device is not equivalent. We got multiple additional information. AI. Requests review timeline keeps extending. Root causes. Wrong predicate selection, weak performance, data, poor documentation, structure, misalignment between claims and evidence. Key insight. 510(k) is not about similarity. It's about proving equivalence scientifically. Example. Two devices look similar, but different materials, different risks. Result. Not substantially equivalent, NSE. Part 2. Step-by-step 510(k) process. Step 1. Device classification and product code. First question. Is your device even eligible for 510(k)? Check classification, identify product code, confirm regulation number. Problem. Wrong classification. Impact. Wrong pathway, rejection. Step 2. Identify predicate device. This is the most critical step. Must be legally marketed, same intended use, similar technological characteristics. Problem. Choosing weak predicate. Example. Predicate has different mechanism, different materials. Result. FDA rejects equivalence. Fix. Strong predicate justification. Step 3. Define intended use and indications. Problem. Overclaiming. Example. Claiming broader use than predicate. Result. NSE decision. Fix. Align with predicate. Step 4. Performance testing. Types of testing. Bench testing, biocompatibility, electrical, safety, software, validation, sterilization, validation. Problem. Incomplete testing. Example. Missing validation. Result. AI request. Step 5. Risk management. ISO 14971 based analysis. Problem. Weak risk analysis. Result. Safety concerns. Step 6. Clinical data if required. When needed. Novel features, high-risk devices. Problem. Assuming not required. Result. FDA asks later, delay. Step 7. Prepare 510(k) submission file. Key sections. Cover letter, indications for use, substantial equivalence, discussion, device description, performance, data labeling. Problem. Poor structure. Result. Refuse to accept, RTA. Step 8. Submit via FDA eSTAR. Electronic submission required. Includes all documents, user fee. Step 9. FDA review process. Stages. 1. Acceptance review, RTA. Checks completeness. Problem. Missing documents. Result. Rejection at entry. 2. Substantive review. Scientific evaluation. Problem. Weak equivalence. Result. AI request. 3. Interactive review. Back and forth communication. Problem. Slow responses. Result. Delays. Step 10. Clearance or NSE decision. Clearance, market entry, NSE restart process. Part 3. Timeline. Typical 510(k) timeline. Preparation. 2 to 6 months FDA review. 90 days, official. Real world, 4 to 8 months. With issues? 8 to 12 plus months. Example: multiple AI cycles. Key insight: timeline depends on submission quality, not just FDA speed. Part 4, cost breakdown. Very important section. FDA fees. Standard, $20,000 plus small business, reduced. Preparation costs. Documentation, $10,000 to $40,000 testing, $20,000 to $150,000 consulting, $10,000 to $50,000. Clinical costs, if required, $50,000 to $500,000 plus. Total cost, typically, $50,000 to $300,000 plus. Hidden costs. Resubmission, additional testing delays. Example: wrong predicate, restart, double cost. Key insight: wrong strategy equals biggest cost driver. Part 5, documents required. Complete document list. Cover letter, FDA forms, indications for use 510K, summary, substantial equivalence, comparison, device description, risk analysis, test reports, clinical data, if needed, labeling, and IFU. Problem: inconsistent documents. Fix: cross-check alignment. Part 6, common mistakes. Mistake 1, wrong predicate. Result: NSE. Mistake 2, overclaiming. Example: broader indications. Result: rejection. Mistake 3, weak testing. Result: AI request. Mistake 4, poor documentation structure. Result: RTA rejection. Mistake 5, ignoring risk analysis. Result: safety concerns. Mistake 6, late clinical planning. Result: delay. Mistake 7, slow responses. Result: review paused. Mistake 8, copy-paste approach. Result: non-compliance. Part 7, final strategy. How to get 510K clearance faster. Choose strong predicate-aligned claims with evidence. Prepare complete documentation, plan testing early, respond fast. One line: 510K. Success equals strong equivalence and clear evidence. Planning your 510K submission? Don't let mistakes delay your US entry. Because wrong predicate equals rejection, weak testing equals delay, poor strategy equals huge cost. Why choose OMC Medical? End-to-end 510K. Support predicate, strategy, testing, and documentation, faster clearance. Whether you're starting fresh or fixing a rejected submission, talk to OMC Medical experts today. If this helped you understand the 510K process, follow OMC Medical for more deep regulatory insights. And we'll see you in the next video.